A balanced diet, in order to supply the body with the necessary nutrients, means taking a variety of foods that are the source of proteins, albumin, carbohydrates, minerals, and vitamins on a daily basis. A lot of us looking for a magic formula, and we've been lost in a big global offer of prescribed diet, a diet that supposedly guarantees weight loss and cleansing of the body. Form your own diet, because each organism is unique. Simply do allergic tests and food intolerance tests to know what to avoid in everyday nutrition. Avoid ways to replace foods with supplements. Supplements are preferred in a balanced diet. Breakfast can be called the most important meal. After resting the organism, while sleeping when the metabolism slows down, the body processes should be started in the right way. Accelerating metabolism after waking is achieved with protein foods with the highest percentage of carbohydrates you take during the day. Before breakfast, the organism needs an awakening trigger, which is a common coffee, but the same effect, like caffeine, can be achieved with a glass of lukewarm water with lemon juice, honey, etc. Prepare a vitamin-protein package for lunch. It should be vegetable with meat. Combine as desired. Just before lunch, try to eat a small salad pack of fresh seasonal vegetables. It should be plenty of greenery. This will help you with weight loss. As you approach the evening, reduce calorie intake. Simply, as you said, have breakfast like a king, eat lunch as a servant, and have dinner as a homeless. Try to eat less and more often during the day. Do not consider yourself a freak if you have 5 to 7 meals a day. More frequent meals maintain a stable blood sugar level, relieve the digestion system, and improve the absorption of macronutrients. More often meals are particularly recommended for weight loss.
Be moderate in quantity and speed. Chew well. Stop with eating when it's most pleasurable. Usually it's a feeling between partial and full satiety, because you always think your body needs 1 spoon more. Drink plenty of fluids. Water is the healthiest drink. Teas, natural juices, choose.
The rule to keep is to eat mostly food from your area. We are primarily talking about fruit and vegetables. Your genetics is adapted to local plant cultures. The winning combination is food from your area, which grows above the earth and is green. Yes, they are the guards of your organism. In some cases, it is spinach, in some it's avocado. Strictly avoid carbohydrates in the evening. You get the highest amount of carbohydrates in the first part of the day, when they can be used to compensate for the needs of the body. You need energy for work, don't you? Afternoon and evening rest, you don't need untapped energy. Don't skip meals, make sure they are at about the same time each day. Focus on fiber intake. It will give you multiple health benefits such as reduced risk of heart disease, regulation of digestion and excretion, regulation of blood sugar, etc.